Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in kitchen organization, the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack. We stumbled upon this gem while browsing online and thought it could be the perfect addition to many kitchens. You can find the link in the description below to check out its latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what this product is. The Kitsure Dish Drying Rack is a compact kitchen counter organizer designed to streamline your dish drying process. With dimensions of 12 inches in width and 15.5 inches in length, and an overall height of just 5 inches, it fits perfectly on countertops with limited space. This sleek design allows it to hold up to 10 plates, along with bowls and glasses, making it a versatile option for anyone looking to save countertop space. One of the standout features of the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack is its premium materials. The combination of a plastic drain board and rust-proof metal ensures that the rack remains durable and resistant to deformation over time. This means you won't have to worry about unsightly rust stains or wear and tear affecting its appearance. Plus, cleaning is a breeze, just rinse it under running water, and it's good as new. However, it's worth noting that if your sink edge is above the counter, water drainage might not be as smooth. Installation is another area where the Kitsure really shines. It comes with an easy-to-follow installation manual and requires no tools for assembly, making it perfect for those who may not be particularly handy. Once it's set up, the waterproof coating means you can wipe it down effortlessly after use, keeping your kitchen looking neat and tidy. The water pipe is also detachable, which adds an extra layer of convenience when it comes to cleaning. The structure of the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack is thoughtfully designed for ease of use. It comprises a dish rack, a cutlery holder, and a drain board set, all working together to provide a comprehensive drying solution. The cutlery holder is particularly noteworthy, as it's divided into two spaces for organizing cutlery and other small items. This means you can keep everything in its rightful place, reducing clutter and confusion in your kitchen. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you live in an apartment or have a smaller kitchen, this dish drying rack is ideal for you. It's perfect for individuals or families who want to maximize their counter space without sacrificing functionality. Additionally, if you often find yourself struggling with dish organization after meals, this rack can significantly streamline that process, allowing you to focus on enjoying your time in the kitchen rather than cleaning up. Practical use cases abound with the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack. Imagine washing a stack of plates after a family dinner. Rather than cluttering your counter or piling them up in the sink, you can place them neatly on the drying rack. The cutlery holder ensures that forks, knives, and spoons are organized and easily accessible when you need them next. If you enjoy entertaining guests, this drying rack can also serve as a stylish addition to your kitchen decor, showcasing your dishes in an organized manner. In summary, the Kitsure Dish Drying Rack is a compact, stylish, and highly functional kitchen organizer that addresses the common challenges of dish drying. With its premium materials, ease of installation, and thoughtful design, it's a product that can truly elevate your kitchen experience.